Hey, it's awesome to see you here on my video, and it looks like you want to learn Flutter. Maybe you want to make some great application, or maybe you want to bring your ideas to real life. So let's get started without wasting any time. There are two ways you can make great applications for Android, iOS, web, Mac, and Fuchsia operating system, which is new. Either you can download the Android Studio or you can download the VS Code. I personally use VS Code, but I will teach you both. Whatever suits you, you can go for it. Okay. To get started on Flutter, you need to download the Flutter SDK from their official website. This link is in the description. First, you need to click on the Get Started button on the top right side. I am using Windows operating system, so I am selecting Windows. And then down below, here you have a link to download the Flutter SDK. This is a zip file which is around 600 MB. Once you download this zip file, you have to extract it in any location. I have extracted this file here on my D drive, app dev folder, and Flutter SDK. These are the files which are extracted from this Flutter SDK zip file. The next step is to copy this location and right click on this PC and go to Properties, Advanced System Settings, and then Environment Variables. Here you see we have a path variable. I'm going to click this path variable and click Edit. I can see I have already added the Flutter SDK path variable. If you don't have this, you can click on New and copy the link and add /bin. That's it. Since I have already added this, I need to delete this one. I have already added this, the app dev Flutter SDK /bin. Click OK, OK, and then again OK.